Hello everyone, let's look at today's daily Leetcode problem 3147, the maximum energy from the Mystic Dungeon. Before starting this problem, we shall have a small motivational quote. You cannot buy or inherit a skill. The process of failing, learning, adapting, and persevering through frustration is a deeply personal journey. Countless individuals have reached mastery through sheer perseverance. Be the next great one, right? Okay, so let's understand the problem statement. So this is a medium mark problem. In a mystic dungeon, n magicians are standing in line. Each magician has an attribute that gives you energy. Some magicians can give you negative energy, which means taking energy away from you. You have been cursed in such a way that after absorbing energy from magician I, you will be instantly transported to I plus k. This process will be repeated until you reach the magician where I plus k doesn't exist. In other words, you will choose a starting point and then teleport with k jumps until you reach the end of the magician's sequence, absorbing all the energy during the journey. You are given an array energy and an integer k. Return the maximum possible energy you can gain. Note that when you reach a magician, you must take the energy from them, whether it is negative or positive. So the key things to uh, that this problem is asking is the maximum possible energy you can gain. So which means you can either start here or any part of this array, and only thing is the next specific uh, uh, number that you are going to take into consideration is going to be I plus k. Let's say you start here, it would be 1 2 3. So this is where you end up with, right? So if you are here, you can take up this. So if you are here, you are already out of bounds, so this is the last number, right? So with that being said, let us understand what is the maximum energy that we can take up here. So it is a easy problem until you understand what the problem is expecting out of. So we can gain a maximum total energy of 3. Let's say we start at 5, 5 minus 5, which is 0 at the 0th index and also 3 index. This will be negated and it will be 0. While if you start at the index 1, this fourth index has a positive value, which means 2 plus 1, 3. And this is the maximum possible value. If you are taking the index 2, then you would end you would be out of bound, and this value is also negative. So there it is not a maximum one when compared to either this or this. So that's the whole idea. So let's uh, see how we can design our solution. So the thought process behind solving this problem is, let's say we iterate through uh, the energies array. Let's say we iterate through the energies array uh, starting from backwards. So let's say we will have to consider all of these values and see which has the maximum value. So we are going to approach it from bottom up. uh, Bottom up, calculate all the values, calculate values, and consider maximum. So we are going to be storing them in array of length energies. 2I is equals to 0. This is going to be backwards. So this will be I minus minus at each time. And we are going to calculate dp. Let's say dp is our array, and so we are going to start from the end and we are going to say energies at the specific index plus I plus k. If it exists, then we are going to consider dp of I plus k, else 0. right? So this would give us the dp value. We can also keep track of the maximum value here only. Say we can say math.max, we can have a result pointer, and we can say this as infinity at the beginning, and or a minimum value 0, and math.max result comma dp of I. So after this for loop, we can return the return result. So this is our idea to solve this problem. So with that being said, I will quickly go to the Leetcode editor and start solving this problem. Right? Okay, so as we discussed in our uh, drawing book, so we have written a dp array which initially will be holding all the values of 0, and a result array which will be assigned with negative infinity, and also a for loop which iterates from backwards with respect to the energy array, and we are going to check if I plus k exists, then we add it, and we also constantly have the result value checked for maximum. So this is the entire solution for this problem. Let's try submitting it. So while this solution gets submitted, the time and space complexity of the solution would be often, as we are defining an array of energies length, and both time and space complexity would be of n, because we have one array of energies length and also the for loop which iterates through the energies length. Hope you found this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.